I say this is stinking. This is stinking.
So that's impressive how much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl CJ. It's your girl CJ. It's the girl CJ. If you guys are new, what's up? It's me, T. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section and join the fam, okay? But girl, today I'm going to be showing you guys my collection of perfumes. Now the gag is, I done sat here and bought most of these perfumes offline without even smelling them. Like, who does that? Me. Woo, girl. So let's just get right into it, okay? So if I butcher these names, don't come for me. Like, y'all already know we do not say stuff the way it's pronounced, okay? We try to use our English vowels on French words. Don't come for me if I butcher the names. The first one, which is my baby, this is one of the ones that I bought blindly offline, okay? I watched a lot of influencers review this and I was like, okay, I'm just gonna get it, okay? Now this one's a 𝙬𝚘𝚗𝚜𝚒. I feel like it just doesn't last throughout the day and you would just have to have it with you to keep that smell, you know. But this is in the fragrance family of Fresh, and the key notes in this is citron, hopefully I'm saying right, citron, jasmine, and teak wood, and it's considered a fruity floral fragrance. Now this baby, I ain't spraying none of these y'all because I need to savor. I love this. Every time I smell it I get so excited, y'all, because it smells so good. This one, I see a lot of people pair this with other perfumes that they have. So like I said, this scent is very young, it's very youthful. Like I said, this would be an everyday scent for running errands, but not like movies and stuff like that, because it's very light and it's like very fresh. So definitely great for the spring as well, and y'all know spring is here now. So I always wear most of my fruity scents, even though I kind of wear this one all year round. But I wear more of my fruity floral scents throughout spring and summer. Alright y'all, so next we have another one. Super excited, okay? Chanel. Y'all be like, why is she so hot? Girl, I love Chanel, okay? This was the Chanel M5, and this one's the 𝙬𝚘𝚗𝚜𝚒 as well. I was watching my girl, I love her, Miss Diera. One of her vlogs, she was in the bathroom and I think she was on a trip or she was packing for a trip. Honey, I don't know. Let me just stop lying. I don't know what she was doing, but I know she was in the bathroom and she bought the scent. And honey, when she said it smelled good, I had to buy it. So, another blind purchase. Now this one is from the fragrance family of Fresh. This particular perfume is described as modern and fresh. Vibrant, sophisticated. It's made of lemon, mandarin, and orange, with May rose and jasmine and yang lang or lang lang, with cedar and soft cottony musky notes. Now I forgot to mention that perfumes may smell different based on your body chemistry, and once they like dry down and adhere to your, you know, your body. So just be mindful of that as well. At first, I ain't gonna lie y'all, when I first smelled this I was like, I say this is stinking. This is stinking. Just out of the bottle, like sniffing it, you can just smell like the cottony musk notes, okay? And sometimes you have to, it smells one way in the bottle and then when you put it on your skin it smells completely different. I love Chanel M5. I think that's how you say it, in 5, I don't know. But this is another, to me, fresh out of the shower scent, because it definitely still gives me like that baby powder, but like a powdery smell. It's definitely giving that. This, however, this is a 𝙬𝚘𝚗𝚜𝚒, so it does not last long at all, okay? But I feel like this is another one where you can, if you're not gonna be out that long, you can get away with it, okay? You probably would have to apply it again midday if you're looking to, you know, wear it all day long. You can wear this day or night. It just depends on what you're doing, to be honest. Alright, so next we're going in for, okay, this is Miss Dior, Roses and Roses, baby, okay? So this is a 𝙬𝚘𝚗𝚜𝚒 as well. This is from the fragrance family of Floral. The scent type is a classic floral. The key notes: grasses, roses, Italian mandarin, and white musk accord. This is described as a bundle of fresh flower petals. Okay, the packaging is super duper cute. I love the little bow. It feels a little loose though. Now this is definitely, I don't care what nobody said, this is definitely a spring scent. You definitely can smell the white musk in this out of the bottle. This strong. In my personal opinion, that musk note is strong. It is strong. This, like I said, this is another 𝚑𝚑𝚗𝚜𝚑, so it doesn't last long either. It's kind of like it's kind of youthful. Yes, to me it's youthful, but that musk smell, that's the only thing that be throwing me kind of off from not wearing it as much, is the musk, because I'm not really a fan of the musk note. But it's not a stinking scent, but it's just one that I would less gravitate towards. Next we have my favorite Mon Paris. Is it Mon Paris or Moon Paris? I don't know, y'all, but this one, oh my goodness. But when I tell you I'm completely obsessed, YSL, like Yves Saint Laurent. This baby, this is my baby. I love this one to life. I don't care. I freaking love this. Every time I smell it, I just get so this, y'all, this smells freaking amazing. And the packaging is super cute. It has a little bow on it as well. But let me tell y'all, this is from the fragrance family of floral. This is described as a sweet floral scent with notes of red berries, softened by the datura flower and anchored by the white musk blend. Y'all, when you going out on a date night, baby, first date night, 20th date night, it don't matter. If you going out on a date, baby, you got to have this on. This is like birthdays, special occasion, anything that is representing you. This is your girl. I don't care what nobody said. This is your girl. Like I said, this is a very intimate, sexy scent. It's very mature, okay? You cannot be just wasting this, just going out to the mall. Like, no, baby, you have to put on your edge. You got to be on your sexy girl edge. I'm telling you, anybody would like this scent, okay? But if you're not into mature scents, then probably not. But if you are, try this. So the next one is Chloe. Where's Miss Chloe? So this is what Chloe looks like. For some reason, Chloe rusted up on me. I don't know if y'all can see it, but Chloe rusted. I don't know what to tell you. Now, Chloe, ooh, I forgot how good she smelled too. Okay, I really forgot how good she smelled. She smells so good. Okay, so she is from the fragrance family of floral. She is described as a fresh and feminine fragrance. The keynotes is peony. I think that's how you say it. Peony, rose. Don't laugh at me, y'all, if I'm saying that wrong. Honey and cedarwood. I don't know, but it's definitely giving me like a fresh out of the shower type of scent. And this is the Eau de Parfum. Wow, I didn't know that. So if you put this one, this is gonna last all day. I say this can be a light everyday, especially it's springtime now. I feel like this would be great to wear every day, all day long. So this is Chloe for you guys. Get back in line, Chloe. So next we have La Vie Belle. You gotta say like that, La Vie Belle. This means life is beautiful. They my girl. Okay, this is another one that I like. This is from the fragrance family of floral. This is described as a fresh spring iris with spun sugar and warm vanilla. The keynotes are iris, patchouli, spun sugar, and warm vanilla. Yes, I remember I let my mother smell this, okay, and she was obsessed. Okay, so I ended up buying her own bottle so she won't use up all of mine. But I love this scent as well. This is one of the ones that when I wear, people stop me and ask, what is that you have on? And I'll be like, La Vie Belle. Okay, you be looking at me like a crazy. I feel like this is a more mature scent. I feel like it would be for older women, but I feel like younger women can wear it too. I feel like this is great for brunches, church events, blah blah blah, because like I said, my mom wears it to church all the time, and people always complimented her. I think she already used her bottle up, but I smelled the warm vanilla. So if you like vanilla-y scents, check this out. Mother's Day is coming up, y'all. I feel like this would be a great gift for mothers. we have Burberry Hurt in the building. This is a Eau de Parfum as well. This is from the fragrance family of Gourmand. This is described as a vibrant, fruity gourmand. The top notes are red and dark berries, middle floral with the scent of jasmine. The base is a central musk amber. Okay, y'all, I love Burberry Hurt. Oh, this smells so good. Like, y'all can tell the ones that I really like and the ones that they aight. But y'all, if you have not tried Burberry Hurt, please go get it. She smells so good, especially if you're a fan of jasmine. With the note jasmine. Jasmine has my heart, okay? It smells so good, but you smell the red and dark berries mixed with the jasmine, and that's what makes this smell so good. This is definitely a spring scent. It's springtime, y'all. Get her, okay? This will go great with the wind and outside, and this is the springiness, if I'm making any type of sense. This smells so good. I feel like this is an everyday. If you're looking for an everyday scent for the spring / summer, you might want to try Burberry Hurt. You really might want to try it. It's not a heavy scent either. It's very, very lightweight in my personal opinion. I would say that the scent is very youthful as well. So this is a scent that I would say you can wear day or night for the springtime. It smells freaking amazing. I love her. I don't know what I'm wearing today. I haven't put on any yet, but it might be Burberry Hurt because I'm not really doing much today. So Burberry Hurt might be it, baby, because she's herring, okay? The Burberry Hurt is herring, okay? Okay, this is my Burberry, okay? The bottom, I don't like this little thing. It looks like a little button, an old-timey button for back in the day. And it's not giving, okay? But the bow is cute. This is a Eau de Toilette. This ain't gonna last long all day, all right? This is from the fragrance family of Gourmand. I'm probably saying that wrong. This is a floral interpretation of the original scent. The key notes are top sweet pea, lemon flower fused with peonies, peach flower, and freesia. This smells good, okay? I feel like this is just a light, refreshing scent. If you just need something to add on, just to have something on, I don't even know how to explain it. This is one of them scents that, okay, I'm running out the door, I'm late, let me put something on just to have something on. She would be that girl, okay? Like I said, I feel like this scent is a day or night, but of course it's not gonna last you long. But it's a cute little fun lightweight scent. If you're not into like strong, heavy scents, definitely want to look into this because it's very lightweight. Like, the scent is so lightweight, but it smells good, if that makes sense. It's reminding me like of showers, like sometimes the I don't even know, the body washes you use. It's giving something like that, okay? So let's just move on, okay? Because she's cute. Okay, so now we have Moschino. This is Gold Fresh Couture. This is a Eau de Parfum as well. This is from the fragrance family of Floral Fruity. The key notes are top white peach, pear, mandarin orange, grapefruit. The heart is orchid, lily of the valley, and jasmine. Look at this, y'all. This is so cute and different. This is like a little Windex bottle and then the gold to top it off. Now, I do remember who recommended this that I bought blindly, which was, I believe, Aaliyah's Face. I've also seen Tasha Washa review that one as well. And y'all, I couldn't get it when they recommended it, but guess what? I got it. And baby, when I tell you, woo, you can smell the pear straight out of this bottle. When I got it and put it on, baby, compliments was out the roof. Everybody was like, what you got on? What you got on? What you got on? What you got on? So Eau de Parfum. So it's gonna last all day. And I'm telling you, you do not need a lot of this. Okay. You do not need a lot of this because it gets strong real quick. Because I didn't know how much to put on, girl. I was out there almost killing folks. But it was a good killing folks because I wasn't stinking, you know. But baby, this is probably alongside of another one, this is one of my most favorite or most complimented perfumes. And I think Chanel M5 was too. And also Moon Paris. So this is up there with that. This is my girl right here. I love this scent. Alright, y'all, so my baby, Tom Ford, y'all. This is Ombre Leather, okay? Ombre Leather. This is a Eau de Parfum. This is from the fragrance family of cool spices. This is described as a distinct floral leather. It have key notes of black leather, violet leaf, and cedarwood. Now, if you drive and you put scents in your car and you put the little car scents, I forgot what they called. Anyway, they look like little leaves that you hang up on your little rearview mirror. I always get the scent black ice. Okay, black ice, baby. That smell good. I think I seen this from Leah's channel. I don't know what video it was, but when she said this is what she put on, I said, ombre leather. It may smell like black ice. Ombre leather, baby. This is my everyday scent, okay? If you want to know what I smell like on an everyday basis, this is what I really smell like because I'm completely obsessed. Now, this is a unisex scent, okay? So a male or a female could wear it. This definitely a very warm and very spicy scent. This is a layerable scent too. You compare this with other ones. I generally don't because I love this stuff. Now, a little goes a long way with this. You spray too much, baby, you're gonna be stinky. No, you're not gonna be stinky, but you're gonna be overpowering. You don't want to overpower, okay? And this, you definitely can smell the spices. If you're not a fan of spicy scents, I wouldn't recommend you wasting your coins on it. I wear this scent all year long. This is a scent that I would just wear all year long. I feel like it's suitable. However, since it's a more warmer scent, it probably would be better just to wear it only in the winter. But you know what I mean, y'all. This is my baby, okay? I love her. I love her. She smells so good, baby. This, okay, let's just get into it. This is 𝚘𝚘𝚒𝚘𝚗, okay? This is black opium neon. This is the Eau de Parfum. This is from the fragrance family of warm and spicy. This is described as a spellbinding seduction in a bottle, baby. What? Okay. This has top notes of coffee, orange blossom, and base dragon fruit. This smells so freaking good, like so freaking good. Y'all, quick little story time. Y'all was in Ulta, right? And I went to go smell it first because I don't know what if it was out of stock online, but it said in store. So I went in store and bought this. And when I was buying it, I never bought perfumes out of the store before, so I also had this big old box on it with this beeper. So I'm walking around shopping, and then the box just start going off, and I'm just looking around like, am I supposed to keep walking around the store, or I'm supposed to take it up front? But you know, for your first time doing anything, you just be doing it up. And I was just like, what is going on? But anyway, they set the timer again, and then it went off again. I was like, forget this. I'm not shopping for nothing else. I'm getting this and getting out. But I smelled it in the store, and I really couldn't smell it in the store. So when I got home, I put it on, and baby, I fell in love. Like, I wore it instantly, and I was cute that day when I bought it. That night I was going out. This is the ish. When I tell y'all this is the ish for a date night, baby, if you don't have it, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you, but you need this. Like I said, you can wear this anytime. It's preferably 100% in the winter. This is the only one that I bought actually in store. So these other ones were blind purchases. I am not mad at it. I am not bad at it. Yeah, I did not go wrong. I'm not mad. I didn't waste no money. So yeah, down below, don't forget to leave some comments. Let me know which perfume you guys are interested in trying out for yourself. Also, let me know if you already got some of the ones that I have, and let me know what you think of them. And also share some of y'all's favorites that I should check out. I'm trying to keep building my collection, so let me know which ones you got that I need in my collection too, because I'll blindly buy them as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and until my next one, you're gonna see you later. Bye guys.
So that's impressive.